If you're thinking about buying a fixer-upper in the Hudson Valley, this is how to tell whether it's a smart opportunity or just expensive stress in a good-looking wrapper. A fixer-upper can be a great opportunity. It can also become a part-time job you didn't apply for. I love potential, I really do. My design background makes it very easy for me to walk into a house and see what it could become. But that doesn't mean every fixer-upper is a smart move for every buyer. I'm Jeffrey Hoffmann, and today I'm breaking down how to think about fixer-uppers in the Hudson Valley so you can separate real opportunity from romantic chaos. Potential isn't the same as fit. A house can have great potential and still be the wrong move for your life. Projects require time, energy, money, patience, decision-making, and tolerance for disruption. Before you fall in love with the vision, ask whether your life actually has room for the process. That answer matters a lot. Potential only works when it fits your real capacity. Now let's talk about what makes a project more attractive. Some changes are easier to envision and execute than others. Not all renovation ideas carry the same level of complexity. Cosmetic change, layout change, system-related work, site challenges, and overall condition can create very different levels of effort. The more clearly you can understand what kind of project it is, the more intelligently you can evaluate the opportunity. Know what kind of project you're actually buying. And here's the design side lens that helps buyers most. Buy good bones where possible. Some homes feel more transformable because the core ingredients are stronger. Layout potential, light, setting proportions, and overall feel can make a project much more compelling. When the foundational feel is strong, improvements can go further. When the core feel is fighting you, even a lot of work may not create the result you want. Good bones make better projects. Now let's address the emotional side. Project tolerance is real. Some buyers are energized by decision making. Others would rather floss a cat, respectfully. There's no prize for becoming a renovation person if that isn't your wiring. Be honest about your tolerance. If you want simplicity, there's nothing wrong with wanting a cleaner move-in path. Know your renovation personality. And that brings us to the final question. Will the finished version still fit your goals? A lot of buyers focus so hard on the transformation that they forget to reevaluate the final outcome. Even after improvements, the home still needs to support your lifestyle, location goals, and overall plan. Always evaluate the end state, not just the excitement of the project itself. Buy the future fit, not just the before and after fantasy. If this helped, you'll love my video on what actually creates value in a Hudson Valley home, because that's the lens that helps you assess the project more clearly. Tap that next. And if you want help evaluating fixer-uppers with a strategic eye, click the link in the description and pinned comment below.